Hello, today we will create a battery system in the second video of our Outlast series. In the previous video, we set the field of view to 65. I think that's a bit much, so I make the value 75. You can download the model you want from the internet or create it from 3D modeling programs. First, we create an actor. We add a static mesh and select the battery model. We add a box collision around it. This will be activated when our character enters that box to use its features. We will use the left mouse button to interact, so we create a variable for this. It will be true when pressed and false when released. We click the left mouse button to print string will execute. To make this process more useful, we create a variable named inside. We set it to true while begin overlap is active in and overlap it will be false. We connect it to the event tick for continuous querying. First we check inside. If it's true, then we activate it when the left mouse button is pressed. We add a text box to the camera UI feature and create a text box to see our battery count. By using create binds on the text within the content, we get the battery count value from the BP third-person character that we will create shortly. When we test it, we see that our battery count increases. I want to limit our battery. I want it to have a maximum of 5 batteries. For this, I'm making adjustment in the UI section. Now I will use a branch to limit the battery count value. This way the battery value will only pick up the battery on the ground if it's less than 5. When we test the system, we see it's worked beautifully. And finally, we no longer need these print strings. In the next video, we will prepare a decreasing progress part for the battery. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and leave a comment. See you in the next video.